must buy a charger.
Talaga?
Oo. So
dapat we have to be careful.
okay, tanawon yun din mo ang mga sunod sa packet sa mga unsa mo. Mga ball pen o what. Kakao.
Oh, hello! What can you say about my hair? Yung akong bala na ako no ko'y bangs. Gusto lang ko og bangs kasi for a change. Para nindot lang lantawan. Kaya akong buhok medyo na ikausaban. But anyway, so another day is finished. So among laag-laag sa London karon nanapod si Ate diri sa Slough because even though she has a Gloucester postcode, but her heart belongs to Slough. So nag-invite siya sa moa to have dinner in Windsor. Unya mo uban pod na siya. Say hi to my vlog.
No, I don't want to. Sige na, bye.
Amo asang pick up po namong isa ka friend nga si Jessie. So we are going to pick her up from work. So let's go. So on the way na me to Wexham Park Hospital.
Stopping people when they're gone.
Hello. They underput me. We are
One
here
point we were in the bushes like this.
Nanapod sa Slough.
And we could see them through the bushes, right? And then we had that truck.
Underput ko diri kay nangadto kong loy.
Off he goes. And we come back out.
We come back again.
Yeah, yeah.
Why not?
Was it like those?
Oh my
What
god.
is those?
This is a very rather
the
not
kind of van
it's like
that they use is the ones that
It's not summer.
what you call this
it's not
for
summer.
riot.
An El Nino coming soon.
Okay.
6 weeks daw.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
6 weeks. So I love that.
Yeah.
I like to have.
Looking forward to it though.
Yeah,
So
I'm looking forward
so
as well.
Always under the
they say, well, according to the forecast, it will start mid of August and towards the end of September.
That will be good. So all the summer clothes is still out.
Check.
We go back
Oh, okay.
where we were before. Please no.
So Jessie is there. We are in Wexham Park Hospital now to pick up Jessie, and she's by right.
Yeah,
She's right at the entrance.
It's here from the other
That's Jessie. Hey.
Ka-uniform ang taanin.
Tama kayo unsa test. Sis test. Tama kayo unsa tama kay cardigan.
Na, primly.
Oo. Sige na.
Pika ang food na namin diri sa Thai restaurant. Kung buhok, ay naon sarap niya akong bangs. Kalat. Because Jessie had a long day, she decided to stay home na lang. Aba, makadaog ka ning bike na ako? Please comment down below. So, ay, human-human na may kaon sa mong main meal pero how are you, te? Enjoying the food. Lami kayong sabaw na, te?
Very nice soup. Tongka.
Tongka.
It's a Thai soup. It's really nice. Tom yum, lami po loy.
Tom yum is so good as well. So that's the soup here. Nasa chicken. Lami kayong sabaw. Yan eh. Human ako sa akong main meal. And this is supposed to be the starter but I had it the other way around, and why not? The crunchy bit. Te?
She had the bun before the head. You should have the head first, but she had the bum first before.
Hilarious. Hilarious.
I love the rice.
That's right.
Lupa to si Tihan eh?
No.
Pagod ka rin siya. Element dire. Ay, kusog ka yung ulan. Did you hear that? Kusog kayo, no? Nindot ba dire ang place? Ano naman? What have you got?
I have tahong and I place chili oil on it. And then curry chicken.
It's raining, aren't it?
Yeah, the rain is so strong. So, human na ni someone din Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, bye. So, manamig sa among dinner. Nag-Thai restaurant lang. Ala, ang ulan! Oh no, we have to use our umbrella. So, umbrella pa more. Ulan kaayo mi diri. But, mo gini among summer. You're lucky if you get so sunny, but eventually it will be so rainy as well. So this is the weather, the kind of weather we have tonight. And this has been like this since this morning. And padulong mi dito sa, I don't know, it's a bar. Kay mulan taw ko na mi og live ba.
No.
Mga restaurant diri sa Windsor. Another restaurant there. Ulan. Ulan pero nagchanela si Loy. Autumn na ilang decor. Look ang fountain. Yeah. Oh, di ba nagluksa-luksa ang tubig? Windsor Saturday night. Ang mga tapos, padulong na taog. Windsor Eaton Riverside train station. How is this? Hindi na nyo makita kasi ngit-ngit na, but that's the castle. So, we're just right at the foot of Windsor Castle. No, I tried once to Feltham. Oh, St. George's School, the Windsor Castle. No, naka-vlog ang Windsor nga gabi eh. Nice. Hello friends! Just got home. Busog kaayo mi. Parte namong kaon-kaon. Dito sa Thai restaurant. Sige katawa. You know, laughter is the best medicine gyud basta kanang isolated ka most of the time. So, it's very important pod nga mag-chill ka with your friends. Ay jud nyo kalimting friends are blessings. So, always take care of your friends and always honor them as well. And yeah, you will have the best life.
Birds of a feather.
It's calling your name. What's it?
It's my favorite. My goodness, I can't live without.
So this is the Langley High Street. Very close to the church where we went. And look at the shops around. Dito rin mag-shopping ug gulay.
We're going to have an inspection at 12:15, and if there's no more rain, they will take lunch.
Intermittent fasting kita nag-work. Nindot kayong hangin, the best. Among i-check ang gym ni Risa Hotel. So, if I'll become a member, I can come here like 3 times a week, and I can use the treadmill. Yeah, and the pool is going up that way. Pwede na ibili ni mong ano? Suitcase. So where's the pool? Oh my gosh! Yeah, look at the pool. You can enjoy that too. You can enjoy this amenity as well if you're a member. And it's £40 a month. Nice.
You do. We're doing that room.
So, namin sa bedroom ni ate diri sa hotel.
Higda ko rin.
Sopa. Ay, naku. Ew, sag. bus. Hindi kaya.
Make
So
a
na...
vlog of it.
Peace. Photo sila. Medyo mainit. So, be careful lang gid ha. Ganun ko. And see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.